In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal a banned Telegram number and request its reactivation. Whether you're a tech-savvy person or someone who's only just getting started with Telegram, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's easy to understand and follow. To begin, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Telegram support page, which you can find by entering telegram.org/support into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the page, you'll see a form that you'll need to fill out to contact Telegram support directly. Start by entering a working email address. It's crucial that you provide an email address you currently have access to, as this is where Telegram will send their replies. Be sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any mistakes that might delay the process. Next, in the phone number field, type in the banned number that you're appealing for. It's important to enter your phone number in the international format. An example of this would be simply adding your country code before your regular phone number, and you'll generally know it's correct if it starts with a plus sign. This ensures that Telegram can correctly identify the number you're trying to recover. Now, let's move to the message box. Here, you'll need to explain your situation politely and request the reactivation of your number. For a clear and respectful message, you might say something like, "Hello, Telegram support. My phone number. Your phone number is banned. This phone number is banned. My username. Your underscore username. I believe this is a mistake. I attached a screenshot. Please review and advise how to restore access. Thank you." Remember, the key here is to be polite and concise, providing all necessary details without adding unnecessary information. After composing your message, attach a screenshot of the error message indicating this phone number is banned. If possible, include an additional screenshot of your profile or username page to provide Telegram support with additional context about your account. This can sometimes assist in speeding up the review process. Once everything is filled out and double-checked in the form, go ahead and click Submit. After submitting your appeal, it's time to head over to your email inbox. Keep a close eye on it, checking not just your main inbox, but also your spam or junk folder, since sometimes emails could end up there. Finally, a crucial tip. Avoid logging into Telegram repeatedly while your appeal is being reviewed. Attempting multiple logins can complicate your case, as it may signal suspicious activity on your account. Patience is key here. By following these steps, you'll give yourself the best chance at regaining access to your banned Telegram number. Stay patient and best of luck with your appeal.